Hey guys, what's up? So, it's me. Today I want to do kind of like a collab, but I don't have no collab partner. I mean, I do, but he doesn't make YouTube channels. But anyways, so for right now, I'm just going to make this one video. VidCon 2013. Got a lot of comments about that one. I think it's an epic way for everybody to just come and say hey and all that flabbergastic stuff. Last year I know Shay Carl got a bit like over 305,000 people coming to meet him. So he's a very famous YouTuber, so shout out to Shay Carl. I know Charles Shippey, I know he's famous. He got the CTFXC Nation and the We the Kings Nation, so I know that one's pretty epic for him. So he might have like more fans coming up to him, because you don't know if he like might have just met him. And one more thing is VidCon 2013. We the Kings are going to be playing there, so I'm excited about that. Anyways, so basically Charles might have like over or more, because you don't know if like they came and met him. You don't know if they saw his vlogs yesterday, and then there's more people coming because every day it rounds up. So yeah. But basically y'all wanted me to talk about what it is, what's all about it. What it is basically where I'm standing up and then there's like a big line. Y'all come up and meet me and stuff. And I think that one's really good, because then we get to see all our viewers and all the people that are favoring the thingies and thumbsing up the favorites and stuff. Also, we got something called the panel. That's a little different for me. When I went to VidCon, I had no idea what a panel was. So I was like, yo, let me go see this. And that is actually where I met Ali Chippy. Charles Shippey, I met him a long time ago. I stopped watching his vlogs, but now I'm back into his vlogs, as you can tell. Anyway, so that's where I met Ali Chippy, was from the vlog, because I was watching him when he had that blonde hair. So I've been there for a long time. But anyway, so now that was when I met Ali Chippy. You know, the Ali Chippy one, the one that he said, "Would you marry me?" Blah, cry, blah. You know. Okay, so that's where I met her last year, and I met her. I got her autograph, and that's when she told me. And that's when she was like, "Hey, I'm Ali Chippy." I was like, "Ali Chippy? Don't I know Chippy? Charles Chippy?" So that's when I thought about it. So yeah, I'm kind of dumb in the brain. I was really going there just to meet, because when she was on her panel, she was like, "Hey, my name is Ali Chippy." I was like, "Wait a second, you're Charles Shippey's wife? He's taken?" Okay. No, I'm just playing. I wasn't like that. But shout out to Charles Shippey. Go check him out. Anyways, Charles Shippey, whatever, however you're saying now. Charlie. Go check out Charlie. Alright. But I was basically going there for just meeting Shay Carl and the Shaytards, because I have been watching them for the longest time now. This is probably like my third year watching them. I've been watching them for a good amount of bit. I've been watching them like since they did the water bucket thing. That was awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check out all those people's names in the comments. Yeah, peace.